siam Lalduhoma'n vot thlak turin aron seng a hei
Ôi à, em nói gì lâu chút cảnh kiểm hết.
Jing to kem tin ngei jing em
kan in beisei khom mai
ani le inin beisei na chan lian ber nge pu ri chat vanal mangai hi nge tin na chan tu ni hian
ama mimal baka in tlan hi chu candidate mimala hian a in hat vek chuang lova an omna party ate a in hat ve thowa chuwang chuan ai sarkar kan siama theitop kan chuat chawa mi puipoi min troi om thanin kan hria chuta kan kut ke tur chuan i wangin ZPM sarkar thar troi om du tu te chuan ama hian vote kan beisei ni
in candidate tu lian a khan z ama a candidate a that me ti lama khan ZPM party tuna din tuna that wang ZPM party kai soi sarkar in kai soi sarkar in kai soi dan a that wang ya ingai tin
ya ni
in candidate khan beya tong sa until non corruption case mamko assistant manager ni lalte khan hong anei iringen
anei karing lu tuklo achan chu soifia thei ania soifia man vek ania antina nimin anga de khan ron vor chuak ta jok chu ni seng chuan kan soifia man lovang amaro chu in soifia ni chance thatak kan nia e ama in kota de po khesa file man veka chu wang chuan hei chuanin chu tilu tuka ngonga nei karing lo
parliament la hosa lo thing tau la ku nge
ka thuna tur chu speaker in siam mayang nan align kan nia India po nan align country ania zolbik nei lo keni po nan align khakan ni ta an attach kan nia independent MP te po chu tiang thau chuan nia an thuna speaker in siam mai thin
sa tu la hin in king william ber ni party a hen party da
MNA fi congress ai chu thom na de we mo ka tia thiam har
English, any English question?
Sir, today last year vote. What's your message to the first-time voters, especially youth of Mizoram and to the voters of Mizoram?
You see, there's no time to send a message now. Election is going on, voting is going on, it's over.
So another question is, how confident are you for your
We are confident.
Sir, what brings you this confidence?
You see the pulse of the people, the general atmosphere of the state. It is in favor of our candidate.
So what do you think about which party is your main opponent this time?
It's difficult to say. As far as activities are concerned, the activity of MNF is a bit higher than that of Congress.
If your candidate wins, like, will you be at the NDA bloc or India bloc?
No, we are not going to join either of these. We are going to maintain our own identity. We are not going to be decided from Delhi. We want to take final decision in our own hands here in Mizoram.